Welcome to Fitness 332, Stretching and Flexibility. I'm your instructor, Chris Waters. If you need to contact me throughout the course, please email me at watersc@smccd.edu or send me a message through the Canvas inbox. Emails and messages will be responded to within 24 hours. Emails and messages sent over the weekend will be responded to on the first workday back from the weekend. Stretching and Flexibility is an activities course that will be conducted through Canvas using a series of modules that cover 2-week units. It is important to keep up with the activities throughout the course and log them in our specific journals. If you click on the Course Overview module, you'll find the course description and course objectives, as well as the prescription for completing the course. As an activities course, Stretching and Flexibility has 4 parts to each workout. There's the warm-up, which can be found in our exercise library module, 20 minutes of cardio tracked with the Strava app, 3 core exercises, also located in the exercise library, and a static stretching routine designed to help lengthen and strengthen muscles. Each 2-week unit is based on 14 total days. Students should exercise 8 times during each 14-day period. Remember, summer school classes have 4 meetings per week. Be sure to keep track of your exercises and cardio activity located in assignments in our modules. For weeks 1 and weeks 2, you can click on the overview to get a general idea of assignments and activities. If you click on weeks 1 and weeks 2 activities, you'll see your workout prescription, as well as your progress chart and cardio chart. These assignments will need to be filled out and turned in at the end of 2 weeks. They are graded strictly on completion, with full credit for filling out the chart and submitting it. You can find more information about the Strava app in our Strava app page under the Stretching and Flexibility module. This will explain how to download the free application and use it while you're on your 20-minute walk or jog to complete the cardiovascular portion of the course. The exercise library can be found at the bottom of our Canvas page, complete with warm-ups to make sure we're ready for activity, core exercises, and our static stretches to help lengthen our muscles for the stretching and flexibility portion of the course. I'm looking forward to a great summer session. If you have questions, please be sure to email me. Thank you very much.